Hi everybody. Today I have decided to change up my content and I will be like testing out the jalapeno chicken popper sandwich from Wendy's. Now, I didn't just go out to Wendy's and buy a jalapeno chicken popper sandwich. I'm not that good. So, I reheated one that I got at like 10 o'clock last night after getting off of work. So, I've slept on it. I've reheated it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And now I am ready to enjoy the nice, juicy chicken breast, jalapeno cream cheese, shredded pepper jack cheese, applewood bacon, cheddar cheese, jalapeno chicken sandwich from Wendy's. Hell yeah. Munch. Yeah, it's a sandwich. Munch. I'm probably not getting it again. Thank you for watching.